Lisa was a young woman who lived in a small, peaceful town. She worked at a local bakery where she made delicious cakes and cookies. Every morning, the sweet smell of fresh bread filled the air. Lisa loved her job, but her life felt lonely sometimes. One sunny afternoon, a new customer entered the bakery. He was tall with dark hair and a kind smile. "Hello," he said. "I'm Mark. Do you have any chocolate cake?" Lisa smiled back. "Yes, we do. It's fresh from the oven." She handed him a slice. Mark took a bite and grinned. "This is the best chocolate cake I've ever had." From that day on, Mark came to the bakery every afternoon. They talked about their favorite foods, movies, and dreams. Lisa found herself looking forward to seeing him. Mark made her laugh, and his stories brightened her day. One evening, Mark said, "Would you like to go for a walk after work?" Lisa felt her heart race. "Yes, I'd love to," she replied. They walked through the park as the sun set. The sky turned orange and pink. "I've been meaning to tell you something," Mark said softly. "I really enjoy spending time with you." Lisa smiled shyly. "I feel the same way." From that day forward, Mark and Lisa spent more time together. Mark became not just Lisa's boyfriend, but also her best friend. One cold winter morning, Mark surprised Lisa with a small gift. "Open it," he said excitedly. Inside was a necklace with a tiny heart charm. "It's beautiful," Lisa whispered. Mark held her hand. "You make my life sweeter, just like your cakes." Lisa laughed, her heart full of joy. "And you make my days brighter, Mark." Months passed, and Lisa and Mark's relationship blossomed. The bakery became a popular spot in town, not just for its cakes but also for the cheerful atmosphere Lisa created. Regular customers would often see Mark helping Lisa during busy weekends, wearing a playful smile as he took orders or carried boxes of pastries. One day, as they closed the bakery together, Lisa leaned against the counter and sighed happily. "It's amazing how life changed so quickly," she said. Mark nodded. "It feels like yesterday. When I first walked in here for that chocolate cake, I never imagined I would find someone so special." Lisa smiled warmly. "Me neither. You've brought so much joy into my life." As the weeks went by, they started talking about their dreams. One day, Mark said, "I want to open a cafe of our own. A place where people can come not just for coffee, but to feel at home." Lisa's eyes sparkled. "That sounds wonderful. We could create new recipes together and share them with everyone." They began making plans, saving money, and brainstorming ideas for their dream cafe. On weekends, they tested new recipes, filling the bakery with laughter and the smell of sweet treats. One evening, as they walked through the park, Mark paused and took Lisa's hands. "I have something to ask you," he said, his voice steady but nervous. Lisa tilted her head curiously. "What is it?" Mark smiled and pulled a small box from his pocket. "Lisa, will you marry me?" Lisa gasped, her eyes filling with tears. "Yes. 100 times yes." They hugged tightly, both overwhelmed with happiness. Their journey had started with a simple slice of chocolate cake, but it had grown into a love story filled with dreams, laughter, and endless possibilities. They hugged tightly, both overwhelmed with happiness. Their journey had started with a simple slice of chocolate cake, but it had grown into a love story filled with dreams, laughter, and endless possibilities. Not long after, Lisa and Mark opened their cafe, naming it Sweethearts. The cozy little shop became a favorite spot for couples, friends, and families. Lisa's cakes and Mark's warm welcome created a place filled with joy and love. Every now and then, Mark would smile at Lisa and say, "Remember, when I just wanted chocolate cake?" Lisa would laugh and reply, "And now we have so much more." Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.